Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we going to know the colors name. Orange color, sky blue color, green color, purple color, pink color, brown color, red color, blue color, olive color and cherry color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 10. First, 1. Number 1. Next, 2. Number 2. Next, 3. Number 3. Next, 4. Number 4. Next, 5. Number 5. Next, 6. Number 6. Next, 7. Number 7. Next, 8. Number 8. Next, 9. Number 9. Next, 10. Number 10. What we learn? We learn 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 1 0 10, 1 0 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.